Njera-inĩ atumia ya Meru nĩ kuo mwago wa gũkũngũĩra Ohwo 27 ũtabanĩtio makĩhumbwo thũmbĩ, ndũhio, gĩkeno na nyĩmbo cia gũcanjamũra arĩa megwĩkinyĩtie igĩathana rĩera-inĩ. Thabarĩ ya kwĩhotha mathaa mao na kũrika mabuku-inĩ kũmatha ũgĩ, maugĩte ĩna maciaro, kuona ũrĩa mokire gũtungatĩra kĩoho kĩao tiguo me kuuma, magĩtũgĩria maabitha a borithi arĩa matakuire ngoro kũmateithĩrĩria gũkinyanĩria mathomo mao.
I got the opportunity to join industry where I went to embroidery section. I did my best. There is a lot there. There is knitting, dressmaking, even there is salon. Can't you see we are very beautiful today? We have a lot of makeups. Mnatuona tuko sawa. There is salon there. And I want to thank even officers who are always with us, who embrace us, and despite our capability.
Our beloved graduates, today you stand tall, proud, and ready to face a brighter future. You have turned your time here into an opportunity for growth. I urge you to continue applying the skills, discipline, and values you have learned.
Matarĩirie ngũrani ya gĩthomo kĩao nĩ gũthomithio na njĩra hũthũ na iramakuruhania hatarĩ kũmathutũkania, ũndũ ũrĩa ũtũgĩirio nĩ ũrũgamĩrĩri wa njera ĩno ya Meru, ũkiuga ũgĩ noguo ũngĩmateithĩrĩria gwĩtiria mauma njera.
Through our studies, you may think that we were just joking, we were enjoying, but the class was even allowing vernacular. Our lecturers, they were teaching us Kimeru, tukifunzwa na Kiingereza wanaandika Kiswahili na wanaandika Kimeru. So kila mtu alikuwa very active, hakuna mtu mwenye amewahi lala darasani.
Our inmates have found themselves in custody due lack of skills and unemployment that led them to commit offenses. Through education and skill training, we are able to address this underlying challenge and give them tools to encourage and lawful and protect them upon reintegration into the society.
Vice Chancellor wa University ya Kenya Methodist augĩte ũnyitanĩri wa university na njera ĩno ya atumia ya Meru nĩ gũthukĩra Ohwo na ũgĩ wa gũkorwo andũ ehokeku kuona kaingĩ matungatĩra kĩoho kĩao, mohorwo amwe nĩ mekoraga magĩthutũkanio no gĩthomo nĩ gĩa kũmahe ũthiũ mwerũ.
Many of us who are in a kind of prison, trapped in a job that you don't like, that does not benefit you, that you seek promotion every day, you are trapped there. You are imprisoned by that kind of job. And you call yourself free. You are not in Meru prisons. You think you are free, yet you are prisoner.
Anza haje, sisi tumeshajua. Na sisi tuko hapa. So tukienda nje, we'll do research, we will plan, we will budget for chenye tuko nacho kidogo. Hata I'm very sure after getting something from bakery, textile, we have something to let Dr. Manu Chadaria know wherever he is. This thing is really supporting us.
Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Waithira Nduati wa Mwangi.